Kijiningan. Na, suko kay sa nimo. Tutukan ka ay. No, isukay sa tanaw nimo. Na. La. Asa na? Apa gani? Matoy po. Ay, kuhan. Kare, gyapon puwak.
Dogs and student dogs are already inside the classroom. Nakapag-flag raising ceremony na rin po tayo, which could only mean that our class is about to start. Mabuhay yung Mariaw, my name is Liz, and actually one of your hosts, Bird School, and African Gray Parrot. Now, did you know African Gray Parrots are considered the smartest in the parrot family? In fact, according to many studies, they have the capacity to think like a 3-year-old child. Sige nga, tignan nga natin kung gaano nga ba katalino ang star teacher ni Malagos Bird School. Star teacher of the Malagos Bird School, can you greet your students over here the Malagos way of greeting? Ayan, narinig niyo po ba yun? Anong sinabi niya? He said, Madayaw, because here in Malagos Garden Resort, we always greet our guests with Mabuhay ug Madayaw. No, I think may nakalimutan ka ata, nakalimutan mo ipakilala ang iyong sarili. So can you tell your students over here, what's your name? Mona. Ayun, ano raw pangalan niya? His name is? Not Nana? Mona. Not Nona as well? Other guesses? Mona. Lola, not Lola as well. Let's try that one more time. Everybody listen carefully. What's your name? Mona. Ayun, ano ba ang pangalan niya? Mona. His name is? Mona. Not Lola, not Nona, not Donna as well. This is actually Donald, our African Gray Parrot. Nakapasensya na po kayo, British accent po talaga yung mga ibon namin dito sa Malagos. Hindi biro lang everyone, no? Now, Donald already welcomed you the Malagos way and already introduced himself as well. So now it's your time to meet Donald. So can everybody please say good morning? Ayan, si Perry po ay isang Mindanao Terrific Hornbill or Mindanao endemic bird. Ibig sabihin, dito lamang po sa Mindanao natin makikita. So now if you're visiting from Luzon, from Visayas, or from other country, you are very fortunate because you were able to see this Mindanao endemic bird. And you know what? There's a sad story about this bird because their population... Hey, there we go! So kung kanina si Terry isang Mindanao Terrific Hornbill, ito naman si Binga ay isang Rufous Hornbill. So in Tagalog or in local term, tinatawag natin silang kalaw. Very good. And here in Baguio District, naku, napakarami po nating mga kalaw. And that's because of the forest or trees that we have. Napakarami po kasi nating punong kahoy dito sa ating kagubatan, and usually yan po ang gusto ng ating mga kalaw. Now, I'd like to share with you a unique characteristic about this bird.
Another one for shopping. Another one for shopping once again. Another one for shopping. And ako magsha-shopping raw po siya ulit. Alam na natin nung gusto-gustong gawin ni Waki. Gusto niya shopping. Naku, I'm sure a lot of you can relate with Waki this morning, no? But what Waki showed us a while ago is actually what not to do with your extra money. Now, as part of our sa basketball court si Kaka at si Ruki para raw lesser carbon emission and save sa environment. Palakpakan naman for Kaka and Ruki, everyone. So nakapag-warm up na po yung ating players. Ako po yung magiging referee. Ano pa po ba yung kulang natin? What else do we lack? We lack cheerers. So from this side up to this side over here, I need you all to cheer for Kaka. Rookie, ano po ba? Ayan, now everybody from this side up to this side over here, I need you all to cheer for Kaka. So when I say let's cheer for Kaka, everybody on this side should cheer Kaka! Kaka! Okay po ba? Ayan, sige nga. Can I hear the cheer from Team Rookie? Rookie! 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 Ako parang walang energy yung Team Rookie. Ayaw pa naman nag-shoot ng bola ni Rookie kung walang malakas na cheer. Tinatawanan tayo ni Kaka over here. Now let's try that one more time. Everybody, can I hear the cheer for Team Rookie? Rookie! 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 Ayan, very good, Team Rookie. Magpapatalo po ba tayo, Team Kaka? Ayan ang energetic ng Team Kaka. I think everyone is ready. Our players are ready. Set, play ball. Let's cheer for Team Kaka. Rookie! 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 Players are ready. Now we're on this side. Second one. 2 points for Rookie. 2 points for Kaka as well. A very close fight of the players on the play box.
Rookie!
Victory dance. Pero 2 steps raw po yung victory dance ni Rookie. What's the second step, Rookie? Of course, a signature dance move, the headbang. No, bago raw po papasok ulit sa classroom si Rookie, he wants to say to everyone, bye everyone!
Bye!
Bye everyone! Now, many are asking us, no, how are we able to know babae o lalaki?
birds for divine intervention. That's usually very common because birds are used as biological indicators. In fact, if you happen to be in a calamity and you see birds flying up ahead in circular motion, that's usually a good indicator that it is now safe to return. So please look for these kinds of signs. In every disaster, we're given the chance to rebuild, to assess our mistakes, and to learn from them. We hope you join us in our efforts to preserve and conserve the environment. Remember to always be part of the solution and not part of the pollution. That ends our show this morning. We hope you had fun. We hope you learned something new, and more importantly, cherish this moment with your family, friends, and loved ones in this beautiful place we call Malagos Garden Resort. By the way, this is the cast and crew of the longest running interactive bird show here in the Philippines, and we have been doing this for the past 21 years already. And for our final words, we have Rudy over here to say to everyone, bye-bye everyone! Daghang salamat at ngayong buntag ka natong tanan.
Musiker siguro.
This is just a short film during my trip in Davao. Hope you like it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.